Hey guys, this is ZT, Director of Products at Fortuna. Today we're going to have a brief demonstration of our first prototype of trading system. The purpose of this prototype is not to support actual trading, but to showcase the UI and some basic logic and functionalities of the application. Currently we're taking an agile-style iterative development cycle, and this prototype is just our first iteration. Also, since we strive to provide the best services to our clients, we're still in the process of locating a reliable data vendor, because we know that data accuracy and consistency is an essential aspect of derivative trading, or trading in general. Therefore, the data you're going to see today in the prototype are not actual market data. They're just synthetic data for demonstration purposes only. And let's start. The first page you're going to see when opening up the prototype is this page called the contract page, or the derivative listing page, which consists of 3 sections. To the upper left, we have the underlying section, which has a list of all the underlyings that you would like to trade derivatives on. For demonstration today, we're showing 5 US equity as our underlyings, but of course you can have other financial instruments as your underlying. For example, you can have futures, bonds, interest rates, or even Bitcoin or Ethereum or other cryptocurrencies as your underlyings. And to the right, we have the candle chart, which is a pretty prevailing chart in the trading community, with each candle indicating the high and low and the starting price and ending price of each time window. You also get the trading volume of each time window down the bottom. And this is the only chart we have currently, but other charts and technical measures are also under development. And to the bottom of this page, we have the actual listing of derivatives here. Here, for example, we have options and futures. We also allow the user to create their custom contracts. This is one of the things that separates Fortuna with other trading system, but this is also under development. So today we're just going to use options and futures as our examples. Let's take a look at the options. For example, we have Twitter April contracts listed here. We have a list of strikes here, and time to expiration here. And to the left, we have call contracts, and we have put contracts on the right. And for each contract, we have the last price, gain, loss, bid and ask, and cumulative volume currently. And for futures, since we're just listing regular standard futures, we only have 1 contract per month, and that's typical for futures trading. And now we can go into the second page, which is the trading page. If you click any of the contracts listed here, no matter the type, you will be directed to the trading page, where you will actually be executing your trades. To the upper left of the trading page, you see this is a list of the derivative contracts, and you can sort or filter them by the underlying, the contract type, and the time to expiration. So, for example, here we're looking at the Apple August 2018 call striking at 2204 with price of about 1300. Of course, this price is not real market price, and this is the daily gain loss. And to the right, we have a typical outstanding orders chart, which has a list of all the bids and asks here, and the size of each order, and the total dollar amount of each order. And if you want to do actual trading, you can put your price. Say I want to sell this contract, this August 2018 call contract, at $1 each, and I want to sell 100 contracts. I can just do this and click sell. And here you can see, this is going to be moved soon. Yeah. Here you can see our contracts, our order has been executed. Currently in the prototype, all the orders will be executed in 3 seconds just to show the flow of trades. But normally, you would have to find your counterparty of the trade, and a price like $1 would not get executed. Well, actually, it will, because you're selling this thing really cheap. But if you're buying something at, say, a dime, and want to buy this contract for a dime each, it will still get executed in 3 seconds, but this is just for demonstration. And here you have your transaction history here, and outstanding orders here. And the last page in the prototype is the account management page, which currently consists of all the positions you're holding. For example, here, this is all the derivative positions you have. For example, I have a Time New Bank call option striking at $5.10, expiring on March 2018. And this is the total amount of contracts I'm holding, and this is the time, this is the price I paid when I entered this trade, and this is the current price, and the net asset value, and the profit and loss. And you can also check your total assets here, your spot assets, as opposed to collateral and other type of holdings. And this is your expendable funds, your total derivatives value, your margin required, and total profit and loss. And here you can also check your leverage ratio to better manage your risk. And this is all for the prototype. Again, this is just the first iteration of our prototyping effort, and any and all constructive feedback and suggestions are welcomed. Thank you very much.